The 2025 Ford Transit camper van is here, and it's raising the bar for anyone dreaming of life on the road. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time van lifer, or someone simply looking to explore with the comforts of home, this camper van brings a compelling blend of utility, comfort, and performance. Let's start with the basics. The 2025 model continues Ford's trend of offering the Transit in multiple lengths and roof heights. For camper van conversions, most people will gravitate toward the high roof, extended length model, and that's exactly what we're focusing on today. With this setup, you get full stand-up headroom for anyone under 6 feet 5 inches, and an interior layout that's perfect for conversion, whether factory-built or custom. Under the hood, the Transit offers two powertrain options. First, there's the tried-and-true 3.5L V6 engine, which delivers solid horsepower and torque, enough to handle long mountain climbs, loaded gear, and even small trailers. But the real star for 2025 is the 3.5L EcoBoost twin-turbo V6. It pushes out about 310 horsepower and over 400 pound-feet of torque. It's responsive, surprisingly quick for a vehicle of this size, and a great match for van dwellers who don't want to sacrifice performance. New this year is a mild hybrid variant. While not a full electric model, this hybrid system improves fuel efficiency, especially in stop-and-go traffic and lower speed conditions. It also allows for a smoother start-stop system, making it a quieter ride at campgrounds and in urban environments. Fuel economy is solid for a full-size van. You can expect between 16 to 20 miles per gallon, depending on load and driving conditions. Not stellar by sedan standards, but in the camper van world, it's quite reasonable, especially considering the power and size you're working with. Now let's talk about drivability. This is where the Transit really shines compared to some of its competitors. The steering feels direct, almost car-like, which is rare for vehicles in this class. The turning radius is surprisingly tight, and Ford's engineers have tuned the suspension to absorb bumps without making the van feel floaty. That means better handling on winding roads and more comfort when you hit rougher terrain. And if you're thinking about heading off the beaten path, the available all-wheel drive system offers enhanced traction in snow, sand, or even light off-roading. Inside the cockpit, things have definitely leveled up. Ford's updated interior now includes a large 12-inch touchscreen standard on most trims, running the latest Sync 4 infotainment system. It's fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The layout is clean, and everything is within reach, which is key for long-distance drivers who don't want to fumble with complicated controls. Driver assist features also get a boost this year. Standard across most trims are lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this big vehicle much less intimidating. Ford's Pro Trailer Backup Assist is optional, and it's a game-changer if you're hauling a small trailer behind your camper. Of course, what makes the Transit a camper van isn't just its mechanics, it's how well it adapts to van life. Whether you go with a DIY setup or a professional conversion from companies like Thor, Winnebago, or Storyteller Overland, the Transit offers one of the most versatile platforms out there. Most layouts include a bed setup in the rear, either a platform bed or a fold-out couch, plus modular cabinetry for a kitchenette and storage. Thanks to the high roof, you can install upper cabinets or even a pop-top for added sleeping space. The van's boxy shape and straight walls make for a much easier build process compared to curvier models like the Mercedes Sprinter. One standout feature for 2025 is Ford's new VanLife package, available directly through select dealers. This package includes factory-installed insulation, an auxiliary battery system, pre-wiring for solar panels, and even a basic climate control module. It doesn't turn the Transit into a full RV by itself, but it does take a lot of the grunt work out of starting your build. It's also a huge win for warranty purposes, since modifications done through Ford-approved upfitters don't void the powertrain warranty. Speaking of power, the Transit comes with multiple options for onboard electrical systems. You can install dual alternators to support high-demand setups, and there's a factory option for a 2.4 kW Pro Power onboard system, perfect for running induction cooktops, charging gear, or powering tools if you're doing double duty as a mobile workspace. Heating and cooling have also seen an upgrade in some trims. The optional rear HVAC system keeps things comfortable while parked or on the road, and new for 2025 is a more efficient idle reduction system that lets you run the AC without the engine for short periods using battery power. Storage is another strong point. With smart use of underbed space, overhead compartments, and deep rear cargo bays, you can fit bikes, gear, tools, and more with room to spare. The sliding door and large rear doors open wide for easy access, and the step-in height is manageable even without a powered step. Visually, the 2025 Transit hasn't changed dramatically, but there are subtle tweaks to the grille, lighting, and body lines that give it a more modern, refined look. LED headlights and fog lights are now standard on more trims, and new wheel designs add a bit of flair without going over the top. It's still a utilitarian machine, but now it feels more like a tech-savvy road companion than a plain old cargo hauler. One of the strongest selling points remains the value. While fully converted camper vans can run well over $100,000, the base Transit itself remains relatively affordable. Starting just under $50,000 for the high-roof, extended-length version, it allows plenty of budget room for a build tailored to your lifestyle. And with Ford's massive service network, it's much easier to find parts or a mechanic when you're out exploring. In summary, the 2025 Ford Transit camper van is a solid, well-rounded choice for anyone looking to hit the road with flexibility and confidence. It's powerful, adaptable, and packed with tech to make both driving and camping more enjoyable. Whether you're building your dream mobile home or buying one ready-made, the Transit gives you a reliable foundation and the freedom to make the road your own. If you're in the market for a new camper van in 2025, the Transit definitely deserves a spot at the top of your list.